Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope all are fine. Today I am going to explain the concept connection of lesson number 5, the last leaf. Okay, tenses. Okay, today I am going to start the tenses. Okay, now see, first I will read. You also take the books, take the pencil, do reading along with me. Okay, and then I'll explain the examples. Tense is the form of the verb that is used to express the time of an action. We can divide time into three different periods: present, past and future. We can categorize the three tenses according to the way an action is described by the verb. The action of the verb can be simple, indefinite, continuous, progressive or perfect, complete. Okay, so tense means it used to express the time of an action. Okay, tense is the form of a verb which express the time of an action, which the word which shows the action, that is known as the word which shows an action, that is known as verb, and the form tense is the form of a verb that express the time of an action. Okay, we divide into three parts: present, past and future. You know very well what is present, what is going on now, past which is already over, future which is going to come. Okay, so we can categorize the three stances according to the way of an action. So हम लोग जो है उसको थ्री कैटेगरी में डिवाइड कर सकते हैं, but how the action of the verb can be simple. Simple means indefinite. Okay, continuous means progressive, it is continuing work, and perfect means complete, it is already over. So simple, present, past and future. Now what is simple? The simple tense. The three indefinite tenses are: simple tense describes an action but do not state whether the action is finished or complete. Okay, so it shows only the action, it is not showing that whether it is complete or whether it is not, but it shows an action, that is the simple tense. The simple past tense indicates an action that happened in the past. It is simple tense. Simple past tense, in the past it is expressed by using a past form or the second form of the verb. Okay, the simple past tense refers to an action which occurred at a specific time in the past. जो काम एक particular time में complete हो जाता है, that is known as simple past tense. It is already complete in the past, that is simple past tense. For example, I went to the market yesterday. मैं कल बाजार गया था. Okay, Samir took the dog for a walk in the afternoon. समीर डॉग को दोपहर में घुमाने के लिए, वॉकिंग के लिए लेकर गया था. He took the dog. Okay, went, took, these are the second form of the verb. A past status: शीतल sat on the sofa. शीतल सोफे पर बैठी थी. रोहन won an award. रोहन ने अवार्ड जीता. So these all things are over in the past. Okay, so that is known as simple past tense. We form the simple past tense of verb by adding ed to the present form of the regular verb. verb में अगर ed कर देंगे तो वो भी past tense का example हो जाता है. He worked hard to achieve his goals. नेहा answered all the questions correctly. नेहा ने सब questions के answer correct दिए. Okay, so like this we can also add ed whatever second form of the verb. Okay, there are three forms of the verb. Okay, present, past and future continuous, that is suppose go, went, gone. Yes, work, worked, worked, sit, sat, sat, win, won, won. Yes, answer, answered, answered. Okay, write, wrote, written. These are the verbs which are using in the tenses. The simple present tense. The simple present tense express a general action. It also expresses an action that happens all the time और इज़ अ रूटीन. जो हमारा रूटीन है या हम डेली करते हैं, व्हाट इज़ हैपनिंग डेली. द सन राइजेज इन द ईस्ट. यस, आई गो टू स्कूल डेली. ओके, इट फॉलोज द सब्जेक्ट. सब्जेक्ट मतलब जिसके बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं, दैट इज सब्जेक्ट प्लस फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब. फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब मीन्स वर्ब, द वर्ड वर्ब फर्स्ट फॉर्म प्लस एस और ई एस. ओके, राधिका एंड गोविंद लिव इन न्यू यॉर्क सिटी. राधिका और गोविंद न्यूयॉर्क सिटी में रहते हैं. इमरान रन्स फॉर हाफ एन आवर एवरी डे. इमरान रोज आधा घंटा दौड़ता है. So these are the facts or routine, daily routine, habitual things or happens daily that comes in the simple present tense. Okay. Now the simple future tense. Simple future tense expresses an action that is likely to happen in the future. It uses will or shall with the base form of the verb. The format is subject plus will shall plus verb. Okay, so shall जो है we और I के साथ आता है सिर्फ, ठीक है, I shall और we shall, और बाकी जो he, she, you, they और इन सब के सब प्रोनाउंस के साथ में will आता है. ओके, सो सब्जेक्ट प्लस will प्लस verb. सो माधवी will join her friends for the wedding ceremony. We shall reach Leh on 15th September. ओके, सो वो माधवी जो है अपने फ्रेंड्स को वेडिंग सेरेमनी में ज्वाइन करेगी. हम लेह को 15 अगस्त तक पहुंच जाएंगे. ओके, वी शैल रीच लेह ऑन 15 September. Okay, so like this, in the future tense which is going to happen, which we are planning, that is known as simple future tense. Now the continuous tense. What do you mean by continuous tense? Continuous tense means the word which is going to, the work is which is going to continue. Okay, this indicates an action that is going on or continuously. The continuous tense is formed by adding ing to the base form of the verb. Means subject plus verb plus ing. Ing means run, running, swim, swimming, eat, eating, walk, walking, talk, talking. So like this, verb plus ing form. Okay, the past continuous tense indicates an action that was going on for some time. It follows the rule of, okay, subject plus was or were plus first form of the verb plus ing. ठीक है, अगर सिंगुलर रहेगा तो was आएगा, प्लूरल रहेगा तो were आता है. ओके, फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब मीन्स वर्ब और प्लस ing फॉर्म. I was watching television when she called. जब उसने बुलाया तब मैं टीवी देख रहा था या देख रही थी. ठीक है, पास्ट में वो काम चालू था. ओके, I was watching. I saw her yesterday. She was staring out of the window. मैंने उसको कल देखा, वो खिड़की से बाहर देख रहा था. So means it means that for some particular time the work was going on continuously. Okay. Now see, you can however talk of an action or a specific time. For example, last night at 8 PM I was eating dinner. मैं रात को 8 बजे खाना खा रहा था. Means in the past that work was going on. That is known as past continuous tense. Okay. Now the present continuous tense means it is used to talk about activities happening in the present. What is going on in the present? It follows the rule. Subject plus is, am or are plus first form of the verb plus ing. Okay. Means is जो है वो singular tense. Then am is for I am, and are is for plural. First form of the verb plus ing. I am sitting down because I am tired. Who are you writing to? So like this we have to use the present continuous tense. Present में वो काम चल रहा है. The future continuous tense which indicates a continuing action, something that will be happening, will be going to on at some point in the future. It's formed by using subject plus will be plus first form of the verb plus ing. अब future tense में क्या होता है? यहाँ पे is, am, are था. Future में it will come will be. Okay, plus first form plus ing. This form of the verb does not change regardless of the subject. It is the same for you, I, you, he, she, it or they. Okay, with all these pronouns will come. For example, I will be staying with you, my friends, during the summer. He will be staying with his friends during the summer. Okay, समर के टाइम हम सब फ्रेंड्स एक साथ मिलकर रहेंगे. मीन्स फ्यूचर में वो काम जो है कंटिन्यू होने वाला है. ठीक है, हम सब मिल मैं रहूँगा या फिर हम सब फ्रेंड्स मिलकर समर में साथ रहेंगे. ओके, सो लाइक दिस इन द फ्यूचर वर्क इज गोइंग ऑन कंटिन्यूसली. अंडरस्टूड स्टूडेंट्स? ओके, द परफेक्ट टेंस indicate that an action has been complete in the present time, in the past, or will be completed in the future. That is tense formed with helping verb has, have, had, will have plus third form of the verb, main verb. Okay, past perfect tense means the work is already over in the past. Okay, so past perfect tense, to make it clear that the action was completed before another action in the past. ठीक है, वो काम जो है कोई और काम होने से पहले कंप्लीट हो चुका है. ठीक है, पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस, सब्जेक्ट प्लस हेल्पिंग वर्ब प्लस हैड प्लस थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब.